Become a manifesting magnet. Attract love, a specific person, a relationship, money, abundance, whatever you desire into your life. Hi, everyone. Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle. And we're flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. Thank you so much for subscribing. Remember to click the bell icon because we're here all the time with new videos to empower and uplift your life using the law of attraction. You know, we've helped people in 60 different countries. Thousands of people since 2007. Claim your 30 minutes of miracle mentoring and alchemy life coaching. Visit lawofattractionsolutions.com. So people ask me, Robert, I'd like to attract more opportunities for wealth into my life. Someone else might ask me, hey, I want to attract my ex back into my life for a really meaningful relationship. And yet someone else might say, hey, Robert, I'd really like to attract success into my life because I feel that there's kind of a cap on me right now and that I have a whole lot further that I can travel upward. Well, high flyers, when you become magnetic and open to the law of attraction, you know, you can attract just about anything you desire. There is nothing beyond your limitations or beyond your boundaries. I mean that. So, high flyers, I want to say this first. I didn't include this on my list, but sometimes I just assume that everybody knows what I'm talking about. But the truth of the matter is, listen to me, you must have clear, concise intentions. Clear, concise intentions. Without concise intentions, you don't know which way you're traveling. And the universe doesn't know which way you're going either. And you're just swimming willy-nilly, as they say. You're floating like a cork on the water, hoping something else can make you feel better. But that isn't how it works, high flyers. What is ultimately going to make you feel better in your life and help you become more magnetic and attract those opportunities, that relationship, that money that you deserve and you desire is clear, concise intentions. So high flyers, number one is once you have decided what your clear, concise intention is, and you've written it down, because if you just think it in your mind, it's not clear. It's not concise. But once you solidify it, reduce it to writing, then it becomes clear, then it becomes concise. And this is a tough one. Number one, very difficult, but it's just the intention of wanting to live your life from a position of unconditional love. I'm not talking about loving people who love you. That's not a difficult challenge. I'm talking about making an inner determination that you are going to love everyone. You may not like them. You may not like what they're doing or how they're treating you, but you're going to choose to love them. You see, so many of us have our love circle reduced to just a few people, family, and a few friends. When you expand that circle, love is the highest form of energy for magnetism. I mean, there is no energy that increases your magnetism more than being a loving person, filled with love, living a life of love, following the path of love, giving love, sharing love. It's just all critical. It's all important. Nothing outshines love. And when you're one of those people that just illuminate energy and attract opportunities and other people and money, when you're one of those people, it's because you are having a love affair with life. You love yourself. You love living. You love giving. You love other people. Hey, you realize at some level, we all come from the same source. We're all part of the same family, the same oneness. So, universal, unconditional love. That's number one. High flyers, number two, goes along with number one. It's living a gratitude-based lifestyle. And what a gratitude-based lifestyle is, I have people that they'll say, well, Robert, I pulled out my notebook and I wrote down a few things of gratitude, and there it is. I'm done. I feel grateful. And that's good. Nobody believes more in a gratitude journal than I do. Nobody believes more in having moments for focusing on your gratitude than I do. But I will say this, beyond just having a notebook, have a mission and purpose. And that mission and purpose is that you're going to live a gratitude-based lifestyle. Every moment of the day, something is happening. I'm sitting there right now. I'm grateful for Rachel across the room. I'm sitting here right now. I'm grateful for you listening to me, watching me. I'm grateful for that candle, which is putting out some beautiful scent, and those plants and those beautiful crystal singing bowls in my office. You see, you can, wherever you're at, you can be living a gratitude-based lifestyle. And when you're living that kind of lifestyle, listen to me, you're magnetic beyond your wildest dreams. You're attracting people. You're attracting opportunities. You're attracting a specific person. You're attracting money. You're attracting abundance because you're grateful. And so the universe keeps giving you more, and more. Say more is good. More is good. High flyers. Number three is you are constantly reprogramming your mind with I am affirmations. That is so critical, high flyers. These I am affirmations change what you think and what you believe about yourself. And when you change what you think and believe about yourself, guess what happens? The world outside you begins to change. People start calling you. Opportunities happen. Coincidences take place. I mean, you begin to move into that zone where you just think of an intention and it starts to manifest. Oh, I love that. Oh, yeah, I do. High flyers. Number four is draw down the light. Now, you can do that any way you want. You can just sit and close your eyes and meditate and breathe. Visualize that white light above you with each breath being drawn into your body, into your energy field. And with each breath out, removing any doubts, fears, anger, lower vibrational energy, and allowing that energy to, what happens is as you breathe it out, that energy now is renewed by the universe, and it's made new again. It's made fresh again. It's raised in vibration. So it's just a matter of sitting, breathing in through the nose. I visualize the light and breathing out through the mouth. Open the mouth up. And do that for about 5 minutes. Draw down the light each and every day. Number 5 is desire and detach. Oh, I've talked about this in other videos because I've talked about the power of positive desire. I've also talked about the power of detaching. Truth of the matter is, you need to learn to do both. You need to be able to step up the energy. Like in the morning, when I wake up and I see that sigil on my ceiling, and I begin immediately focusing on my intention. And I focus on it. Then I get into the shower and I start scrub-a-dub-dubbing. But I'm doing my affirmations in the shower. And then I come into the office and now I let that go. I let it go. I detach. I'm not worried about outcome anymore. I'm not thinking about outcome anymore. Right now, I'm thinking about my micro goals. What is it that I need to do right now to move the ship along forward in the direction that I intend to sail? So it's desiring strong, deep, honest, not ego desire, honest, loving desire, and then detaching. And you have to do it at the same time. Okay. It takes practice. Uh, who was it? I can't remember who it was. Somebody said you have to want it and not want it at the same time. It's like a professional football player. Certainly he gets all excited before the game. They're bumping helmets, they're pounding each other, they're yelling, they're screaming. But during the game, he has to detach from that. That's already in him. So he detaches and he focuses on that one play. What do I need to do right now? Right now. I can't worry about the scoreboard. John Wooden, the greatest basketball coach of all times, said, if you left everything out on the court, if you played every moment of the game to the best of your ability, which means detaching from the scoreboard, if you've done that, you'll know without ever looking at that scoreboard whether you won or lost. High flyers, I believe you've won. Have a great day. Here's some other videos to help you on your journey.